Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a magazine cover through Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website, and after that just navigate your way here to the search option and just write magazine covers and then search for magazine covers. So after that you'll be able to see many magazine cover templates here. So let's just say I'll go with this one and just click here on customize template. So after that your magazine cover template will open up. So if you want to replace the image that is here on the background, so just go here to the upload section and then upload your desired photo. Let's just say I'll select this one here. So it's a duck photo. I'm just showing you as an example. So after you click here on your picture, just right click on it and click here on replace background. So as you can see, your background has been replaced. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.